Consumer Cellular and Xfinity Mobile are both mobile virtual network operators that leverage Verizon's network infrastructure. Consumer Cellular targets seniors and budget-conscious users with simple, affordable plans and strong rural reliability. Xfinity Mobile, owned by Comcast, integrates with Xfinity Internet services for bundled savings, offering better value for families and strong urban 5G performance. Consumer Cellular focuses on simplicity and accessibility for its users. Xfinity Mobile provides integrated services and high performance in urban areas. Key differences lie in target audience, pricing structures, and network optimization. Consumer Cellular emphasizes simplicity, while Xfinity Mobile offers bundled savings and high performance. Both Consumer Cellular and Xfinity Mobile access Verizon's 5G network, delivering speeds up to 1 to 3 gigabits per second in select areas, though coverage varies by location. Hotspot functionality is included in most plans for both carriers, often with data limits. Xfinity Mobile generally offers better hotspot usage with fewer data caps compared to competitors. Pricing and bundled plans are key factors. Consumer Cellular offers transparent pricing with a new $35 per month unlimited plan featuring 5G priority. Xfinity Mobile provides significant discounts, up to 50% savings for family accounts when bundled with Xfinity Internet.